YouTubers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Lizelle of LizTech. Now I'll be doing another review of the new Huawei Y6 2018 and let's see if what this phone can offer. Let's check this out. Huawei Y6 2018 was launched in April 2018. This phone comes with a 5.7-inch front display and it also comes with an 18:9 aspect ratio. This phone is primarily made out of plastic with a metallic frame and a matte back. This phone's thickness measured 7.8mm and has 150-gram weight. The available colors of this phone are black, blue, and gold. Looking at the bottom, we'll see the main microphone, micro USB port, and loudspeaker. On its back, we'll see 13-megapixel rear camera with LED flash. Now let's talk about the OS and other features. Huawei Y6 2018 has a resolution of 720 pixels by 1440 pixels. It is powered by 1.4 GHz quad-core processor with 2 GB of RAM. Its processor made Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 and it also packs with 16 GB internal, 256 GB via microSD card. Good thing about this phone is that it has a face unlock feature. Now let's talk about Huawei Y6 2018's connectivity. It has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and dual SIM spot. Now let's talk about the battery. Huawei Y6 2018 has 3000 mAh battery, and as far as the cameras are concerned, Huawei Y6 2018 packs a 13-megapixel primary camera on the rear with LED flash and a 5-megapixel front-facing for selfies with LED flash as well. Here are the sample shots of rear camera indoor and outdoor photos and videos. Camera performance are good enough, especially for Instagrammable shots or any other social media uploads, but the colors are inconsistent and can sometimes look overly artificial. Of front-facing camera selfie, indoor and outdoor. The front-facing camera on the other hand is decent and nice and surely in for those selfie addicts out there. But make sure to have good lighting. In terms for gaming, Huawei Y6 2018 can also play popular games as long as the graphics turn down to avoid lagging. So that's my whole review of the new Huawei Y6 2018, and so far I can say that this phone's quality and performance is not bad enough for its price. Everything is good, the screen is quite big where you can enjoy the viewing. The speaker is also good compared to the old models. So if you are looking for a phone that is cheap but has a good performance, well, I recommend this to you. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope that you like it and you learn from it. So yeah, please do subscribe, comment down below for any suggestions or recommendations. Thank you and bye!